Hi all, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in, set up your TWS and test your first alert in Xerolite Cloud Edition. So you will have a personalized URL for Xerolite Cloud Edition upon subscription. You will also receive an email to reset your passwords together with your email address. So once you reset your password, just come to your personalized URL, key in your username and your new password and sign in. So after you log in, you will see the dashboard of Xerolite. So the portfolio is empty because now you're connected to the broker. So IPKR is disconnected. You'll see incoming alert log tab. This is to show all the incoming alert from TradingView. Transaction is show all the transaction IB. Alert request builder and the alert request validator and sender. And this is the setting. I will explain in later video after this. So the most important part is you have to connect to IB. So this is actually remote desktop to our to the TradingView workstation in your server, in your personalized server. So you click on connect, you will see the interface. So in this case, just try to log in your TWS account, your IB account. We're using the paper trading here, okay? And just log in for the first time. Sorry, I might type the wrong password. Okay, you try it again. So it's connecting to IB now. Okay, as you can see, we have managed to sign into TWS successfully. So you can see the portfolio here. Okay, you can scroll up and down to view the TWS. You can also click on the button to maximize the windows. So there's a few things we need to do in order to allow the Xerolite to connect to TWS. Just go to the setting and then enable the ActiveX and the socket client. So this part is to enable to the Xerolite to connect to TWS. So remember the port number is 4000. Okay. So after this, just sit for a while. Xerolite will be connecting to the TWS in, I think, in 1 or 2 seconds. Okay, as you can see now, the Xerolite has been connected successfully to the TWS. This is the portfolio they pull from TWS at APL. And you can see in TWS there's an APL in portfolio as well. So this is a synchronization between Xerolite and the TWS. You can disconnect it, but disconnect doesn't mean that you disconnect the TWS, but it's actually disconnect the RDP from the TWS backend. It is actually still running at the backend. So you can try to go to other tab and come back again, and you try to refresh your whole page and try connect again. You'll see TWS is still running behind. Okay. So after setting up the connection to TWS, the next step is to set test sending an alert from Xerolite to Interactive Broker using the built-in tools in Xerolite. So this step is actually very important to verify the connection between Xerolite and IB is working correctly before we proceed to setting up alert in TradingView. So we need to go to alert request builder and try to search Forex. Maybe in this case, we use GBP and USD. And search contract. So we generate sample alert message. So this is the alert message that we can use, that we should configure to send from TradingView. You can try to search JPY as well. Any contract you think of, try to verify here, and then try to test place order. So as you can see, we have name, action, quantity, currency, all this thing. So click on the validate message. So it's validated. Then submit. So once submit, it will actually create an order to IB. So this is the alert log, incoming alert log. And there's a transaction tab here. So the transaction tab is actually referring to the order that has been placed to IB. Okay, just take a look at the broker tab again. Look at your TWS, the order message, so showing that JPY has been placed successfully. Look at the log also, JPY. Okay. Okay, and also look at the portfolio. We have JPY now. Behavior of this RDP tab for the broker. So even if you disconnected here, right, doesn't mean that it will disconnect the TWS. As long as the connection is still connected, it's meaning that the TWS is still running at the back end. So when you disconnect, meaning that it's disconnect the RDP connection. So just click on connect back, you will see everything is still running at the back end. So you can refresh it and connect again. It's still running unless you close it manually. So you see the error like this, just ignore it, just click OK. So then you try to connect again. So the login page will come in again. This is the way it's quite useful if the TWS is crash or something, the screen freeze, you can try to use the function. Okay, and then you try to reconnect again. So at this stage, right, the connection is lost because you're already locked out from the TWS. You can try disconnect it and then connect again. Is continue the logging. You can also maximize it. Okay. So the connection is accepted. So even you try to log out from Xerolite, doesn't mean everything is locked out. No, it's everything still running at the back end. Because when you try to run Xeroflex again, log in again, see, everything is still running.